Mastering your needle threader is going to save you a lot of time, both when you are sewing and when you have the embroidery module on and you're changing all those beautiful colors for those embroidery designs. So first off, do make sure your needle is at the highest position. So you can use kind of like your needle up, needle down button and just cycle that all the way through so the needle is up. If you've turned your hand wheel a little bit, that will kind of make everything work perfectly. Touch the button. Of course, when you use your thread snips or the thread scissors, that also brings the needle to the highest position. Notice too, if you lower your presser foot, that gives you a little bit more room in this area for your hands and the needle threader. So we're going to show you this in a couple easy steps. Try to do them all individually. So first step, bring the needle threader down about halfway. Then bring the thread around this little arm and then pull the needle threader all the way down. When it's down, the little hook from the back of the needle comes through the eye, and we're going to put our thread right up to in that little groove and lift up. Now I'm not pushing it to the back. I don't know why people want to do that, but all you need to do is lift up gently, and then when you let the needle threader raise up, let the thread out of your right hand. If you don't, you can't, well, it doesn't pull the loop through. When you have let go, it pulls the loop through the back of the needle, and then you can raise up your presser foot and slide the thread underneath and ready to stitch. Now, let's do that one more time. I'm going to lower the presser foot down. We're going to use the needle threader, pull it all the way down, push down so the arm or the head comes around the needle completely. Put your thread in the needle threader, lift up, let go gently, and pull the loop through. Now, if the needle is not at the highest position or the needle is not inserted all the way up, you will find that the needle threader will not line up with the eye. So a tip is to always use your needle threader when you've put a new needle in your machine, and then you won't accidentally damage your machine because you don't get it high enough up, not realize it, and start to stitch. It will hit things down below. It's not pretty. So always use your needle threader. If it does get bent, have your local Pfaff service center kind of rebend it back into position for you because you'll feel lost without it.